In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to migrate from Excel to Monday.com CRM. We'll be walking through the import process for contacts, deals, and leads using either an Excel file or a CSV file. That's important to know up front, because Monday.com CRM only accepts those file types for migration, so make sure your data is prepared in one of those formats before you begin. First, open your Monday.com workspace and go into the Contacts section. Once you're there, click Import. On the Upload screen, click Browse to locate your file on your computer, or simply drag and drop the Excel or CSV file into the Upload area if that's faster for you. After selecting the file, click Continue. At this stage, you'll see an option called Update Matches. Choose that option and then select the phone column as the matching field. This feature is useful because it helps Monday.com identify existing records and update them instead of creating duplicates. In this example, using the phone number works well as a unique identifier, especially if your file contains contacts that may already exist in the CRM. Once that's set, click Start Import. Depending on the size of your file, the import may take a little time, so give it a moment to finish. Next, move over to the Deals section. We're repeating the migration process here, this time for your deals data. Click Import, then click Browse to upload your Excel or CSV file, or drag the file directly into the window. Once the file is selected, click Continue, and when everything looks ready, click Start Import. Just like before, larger files may take a bit longer to process. After that, go to the Leads section. Click Import, then click Browse to upload your file. This follows the same general process as contacts and deals, so if you've already completed those, this part should feel familiar. After choosing the file, click Continue. Now, in Leads, click Update Matches and again choose Phone for this example. Just like in Contacts, this helps the system match incoming data with existing entries. That way, you can keep your CRM cleaner and more organized by reducing duplicate lead records and updating the right items with the latest information. Once everything is mapped correctly, click Start Import. And that's the full migration workflow. You start in the correct CRM section, import your Excel or CSV file, continue through the setup, use update matches where needed, and then start the import. Repeat the same approach for contacts, deals, and leads to move your data into Monday.com CRM efficiently. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more.